Here we have one of our tougher looking 110s, named Urban Warfare by its creator. It was finished in Nocturnal Black, which was somewhat of a custom colour picked out by our client. This 110 had a simple 5-seat setup, Corbeau Trailcats in the front. The middle row was the Puma setup, 3 seats, 3-point harnesses. This truck stands out from most as it's the first time we've created a more militarian style finish with the rear window cages. It reminds me of the old police defenders back in the UK that I used to see roaming around our town. We also built into this truck a rather nice custom storage box in the rear cargo area. You can carry anything in there from French baguettes to shotguns.